Hi, this is the student time management system. It is a web application, right? So the user can log into the system. They can log in with their email and password, or they can log in with their Google account, right? In this case, I'm going to log in with my Google account, right? Right, I have logged in with my Google account. As you can see, this is a student time management system. The user is logged in here. As you can see, I'm this user, right? Okay, I can log out if I want to. Right, I can create an account if I don't have an account. As you can see here, I can enter my name, my surname, my email, my password, and I can confirm the password. Right, but in this case, I'm just gonna sign up with Google. Man, right. So if I sign up with Google, I'm gonna choose this one. I already have an account, but I'm just gonna choose it, right? I, I mean, right? If you sign up with an account, but you already have an account, you don't have to while about it. You just let you in. Okay. So as you can see here, I am in the home page, right? So one thing you can see from the home page is this. So there are today's events, this week's events, active notification, upcoming tests and exams, right? So if I click here, there are no events for today. This week's events, there are no events for this week. Active notifications. Yes, there are active notifications here. As you can see, there they are. Right. Right? How about upcoming tests and exams? There's nothing here. Okay. Right. So I can go to my active notifications. There they are. This will tell me to begin to study. Today you should start studying for this exam you are writing on this date. This is only possible because this user was able to enter this exam in their scheduler, this one, right? So I can go to the scheduler, right? If I go to the scheduler, I can set an event for today, right? I can say today is Friday. I want to set an event, right? So I can name this event like record something, right? And I want to record this something at this time at this date, and I want to record it per all day if I want to, or I can repeat this, right? And if I repeat it, I want to repeat daily or weekly or monthly. I want to choose weekly, right? I want to do it on Monday and Tuesday and Sunday. Um, yeah, I can choose pretty much any option I want. Do I want to add this to a to-do list? If I say I want to add this to the to-do list, this is the to-do list here. I can edit there. What type of an event is this? That's is it applicable to this? It's not applicable. Just gonna select this one. Okay, and then we can save. Right, as you can say, record something. If I go to the following week, as you can see, record something every Monday, Thursday, and Sunday. This time, right? Right? And then I'm gonna go into the home page, right? And then I check today's event. As you can see, it's now here, right? This week's event, it's also here, right? There you go. Right. So if I go to the to-do list, it's also here. Record something. Remember, this user is a pre-existing user, which means they had this before, right? I can add an item. Let's say I add something. I'm say in my to-do list, the things that I need to do today. What do I need to do? Well, I need to talk to a client. Right. I can add this. Once I add this, I can select it is done, or I can just undo that. I can delete this. I can modify this. Talk to the client. Maybe I can say the client specifically I under. Okay. Right. And then I can save that. Then it's saved. Right. And then I can delete this if I want to. Right. So right now I'm just going to add something. Let's add what we want to do today. Let's see. Do some work. Some work. Okay, cool. There we go. I'll go to the gym. Okay. All right, I can add as many things as I want. And if I log out, I've logged out, I can log in. And then I'm going to log in with my Gmail account. And then I'm back there. I'm inside. And when I go to the to-do list, as you can see, my things are still here. All right. If I go to the scheduler, these things are still here. Go to the following week. As you can see, they are still here. They are saved in the database. Right. Based on a certain user, in this case, Pengancele. All right. So work week. I can show a work week, which is Monday to Friday. Or I can show a month, which is this in a month. Or I can show a day, which is just today. In this case, it will be Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. There's nothing on Friday. Why? Because remember, let's go back to the week. This is not on Friday, right? I can pretty much copy this, shift, copy it to Friday, right? Yes, I can then select what I want, this appointment or all appointments or whatever. I'm going to say this appointment, right? Click OK, click OK, right? In this case, I've moved this one to here, right? I can drag and drop around, right? I can pretty much, I think I should be able to copy this when I do this. Just all appointments. There you go. Okay. In this case, I have moved the appointments, right? If I go to the following week, they have been moved accordingly, right? So I think it's Control Shift to copy. Yeah, I've copied, right? I can copy this one as many times as I want to. Control Shift, as you can see, Control Shift, right? There you go. And I can also increase this like this. I can also put it into the all day, and if it's all day, I can just move it around like this, right? I can pretty much do what I want here. Okay, right. This is it. And then I go back to my to-do list. There it is. Do something, to record something, because this has been added. If it's been copied all over the place. So if it's been copied, and from the scheduler, as you can see here, all of them are said to be added to them, to the list, to the to-do list, right? So they are said to be added to the to-do list. If I copy them around, obviously they're gonna also be here, right? I can delete them, delete it. So if I delete this, I delete this, I delete this, you will notice that if I go back to the scheduler, right, go back to next week, right, and here if I say record something, it's a no now. It's no longer yes, it's a no, because I've removed it on the other side, which is the to-do list, right? You can go to the notifications. You can see, I can see all my notifications. As I click a notification, I view it, it becomes not active. It doesn't become active anymore because it has been viewed, right? If I go to the settings, I can set how I want my schedule to look like. If I want to start my day at 8 a.m., I can start my day at 8 a.m. So you can see here, I'm starting my day at 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. If I go to the scheduler here, you will see that the schedule is starting at 8 to 10, right? If I am going to my settings and I'm like, okay, my settings, my new day is going to start at probably 10 and it's going to end at probably 6, right? All right. And then my weekday, the week start day is going to be probably Wednesday. And the default view I want is a month. And I save those changes. And those changes have been successfully saved. And then I can go to the home page. Probably I can go to the scheduler, right? Once I'm in the scheduler, I can see this in a month. Remember, we've changed it, right? And if I go to the week view, you will see that it's starting now at 10 to 6 because those are my settings, right? Yeah, settings like that. So that if I change the default view to a work week instead, save the changes and go back to my scheduler, you can see these changes being applied according to what I have set. If I decide to log out, right, and log back in, I mean, you can log in with different users. I'm looking with this user. Looking with this user, this is the different user. They have their different things, and they have there's nothing for them. There's just nothing, pretty much. Upcoming tests and exams, and what's their schedule looking like? There's nothing at this point. This user is not that active. To-do list, what do they have? They have something. They say they want to eat the cake, they want to visit granny, and they have active notifications. Well, in this case, they do not have any active notifications. Okay, so logout. All right, let me log in with my other account, which is this one. There you go. Compass Tech Solutions. There you go. Right. So if I go to the scheduler, pretty much this account is also, it's not that active, but yeah, they have something in the to-do list. Uh, Notifications is nothing. Settings, this is their settings. Right. I can log out. Right. And I can log in with the main account, which is this one. Did I click that? Yes, I did. And back in, as you can see, the settings are still the same. 6 p.m., 10 a.m. Wednesday, work week, scheduler, how it looks like. There you go. So this is the student time management system in a nutshell.